Section 1. The Cash Flow Reality. Decoding IAS 7.
Pulling directly from Lesson 12 of our source material, IAS 7 shows us exactly where a company's cash is being generated. This standard isn't just about bean counting. It's designed to help us figure out a company's real liquidity, its solvency, and its financial adaptability. Basically, if something unexpected happens, can the business actually maneuver and alter its cash flows to survive? The statement of cash flows is how we find out.
Now, IAS 7 fundamentally changes how we view a company's money by forcing them to categorize it into three very specific buckets. First up, operating activities. This is the cash generated from the daily core engine of the business. Then, investing activities. This shows what the company is buying or selling for its long-term future, like maybe a new warehouse. Finally, financing activities. This reveals how the company is funding itself. Are they borrowing money or issuing shares? By separating these out, you can spot red flags a mile away. For instance, if the core operations are bleeding cash, but the company is masking it by taking out massive loans, these buckets will expose that right away.
And that brings us to a stark contrast in how you can actually calculate operating cash flow, the direct versus the indirect method. The direct method lists the actual cash receipts and payments, which gives you incredible insight for estimating future flows. But practically speaking, most companies use the indirect method because it's just cheaper and easier to prepare. But here's the hidden brilliance of the indirect method. It literally forces you to reconcile profit to cash. It makes you start with that highly subjective profit figure and strip out all the non-cash items. Line by line, it reminds you that profit absolutely does not equal cash.